Hey, if you have been wondering why I am stalking my photo, then let me tell you, I was just wondering. I wanted to use this picture in one banner, but I was trying to figure out how I can remove this background. So, one way of doing this is to buy a gig over Fiverr and I can get it removed. Another way is to use Photoshop, which is again not a convenient option for a person like me. I'm pretty sure at times you might have also come across to such situations, such scenarios where you want to have a transparent background of an image that you can use in your social media posts. So let me tell you, I have just managed to figure out this tool. This tool is called remove.bg. So this is a pretty interesting tool. How does it work? Let me quickly show you. So let me tell you step number one. If you want to copy it, you can simply copy your image and go to this tool and click over here and simply paste it, or you can simply drag any image over here. Just wait. Okay. I have pasted the image and it is uploading. It will take a while to process. It was a 1.2. Oh, damn. Can you see this image? Oh boy, isn't it crystal clear? The background. So, what next? I want to download it in PNG format. So, go ahead. You are good to go. I have downloaded it in PNG. Now, what is next? See, can you see its background has completely been removed? Yeah. Why? So, isn't it a great hack? Let me tell you way number two of doing this. If you don't want to copy and paste the stuff, you can always, go ahead and upload an image. You can choose from your local machine. There is another interesting way, which is a third way, where you can also upload image via a URL. Let me tell you, this video is a part of a lockdown series where I have taken a challenge where I'm posting daily one video on digital marketing. I have posted videos such as how you can get Hootsuite Pro for free. Of course, I have shared a few tools on digital marketing, so you can check out the well coming back. So how I can do this? So let me quickly show you. So let's say I want to let's say I want to post some quote about Jeff Bezos, and so let me quickly search for Jeff Bezos uh, portrait image. Let's say I want to search for portrait. Okay, so let's go to Google Image. What else could be a patch? So let me try to figure out some image. These are some pretty interesting images of Mr. Bezos. Let me choose. If I were to choose one, this one looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Then there is a background. Copy this image address. Go to this tool. Um, Here you can paste it. Control V, and it's downloading the image. Can you see within a second? So within a second. And what is the best thing about going it? You can download it. You can simply copy this image from here and go to your Canva, and you can paste and use the same image. See, this is what I apply. So if I want to paste this image, the new one, here you can see. So I can use any of these pictures. So I'll delete it. So with this quote, I am signing off.